This is Matt with Phenix Technology Inc., and today I'm going to go over the proper decontamination process on a first due helmet. This process is for light to deep cleaning and is not recommended for helmets that have been exposed to hazardous materials or CBRN terrorism agents. It is important that you regularly conduct care and maintenance on your helmet. Failure to follow the care and maintenance instructions may result in voiding of the warranty and may expose you to life-threatening, cancer-causing chemicals. You will need the following items. Your first due helmet shell. We will go over the disassembly of the first due helmet later. A bucket with warm water. We recommend using a light cleanser like Dawn liquid soap or any other pH balanced soap will work. A soft bristle brush. A sponge. We only want to use the sponge side, not the scoring side, as it could scratch the helmet. Before washing the helmet, you want to take all the soft goods out, including ear laps, chin strap, suspension system, and the impact foam cap. The suspension system needs to be washed by dunking it in warm soapy water. If possible, remove the ratchet cover and crown pad from the suspension and wash it using the soft bristle brush. Submerge the ear laps and comfort pad in warm soapy water, scrub with the soft bristle brush until surface stains are removed and then hang to dry. Submerge the chin strap in the water solution and scrub thoroughly. Do not place any helmet components in a dryer. Wipe down all components and let them air dry in a shaded area. The impact foam cap needs to be inspected for damage. If necessary, you can contact your distributor or email us at sales@phenixfirehelmets.com for a replacement. When cleaning the first due shell, use the warm soapy water with the soft bristle brush and make sure to remove any foreign material. Using the sponge, wipe the inside and outside thoroughly, inspecting the helmet for any deep scratches, cracks, bubbling, or other damage that may suggest the helmet needs to be replaced. Be careful not to wet the manufacturer labels located on the inside of the shell. Wipe the shell off with a clean towel or hang to dry in a shaded area. Once all items are dry, you can reassemble your first due helmet. First, place the impact foam cap back into the shell, followed by the chin strap. If you need any assistance on how to install your chin strap, please refer to our chin strap installation for Phenix TL2, TC1, and first due helmets video. Attach the ear laps onto your suspension system and reinstall into your helmet. For assistance on how to install your ear laps to your suspension system, please refer to our How to Install Ear Laps on a Phenix Fire Helmet video. When installing the suspension system on the helmet, make sure that the hooks on the liner are snapped tightly into the inserts on the shell. Always install the liner with the ratchet or Velcro strap towards the long rear brim, as this indicates the back of the helmet. Once the suspension liner is installed on your helmet, it is ready to be used. For more information on any of our products, please visit www.phenixfirehelmets.com.